In this video we are going to check how to replace a cabin filter on Renault CLIO 4. Props to the French because no tools are needed for this job and it's really simple. It doesn't happen often in French cars. When we open the passenger side door, down under the glove compartment, we can actually see where the Pollen cabin filter is located. You can reach it and replace it with no tools at all, just as it is. We are going to remove the glove compartment just so you can see it better. It's really easy, but you can skip this part using the timestamps in the description and you can see them on the video's timeline. All we need to do is push these two plastic parts to the middle, open the compartment and pull it out. Now we can see the full cabin filter slot. Simply take the cover and then the filter too out with your hand. You can also vacuum the compartment if it's needed. The new Pollen filter has an arrow that shows how it should be inserted. The arrow should point towards the cabin. Press it a bit in the middle and it should slide in perfectly. Now just put everything back together and enjoy a pollen-free air in your Clio. If this video was helpful, feel free to subscribe and thanks for watching.